brace of women in a statue, like a silhouette in Puerto Del Rosario. It's just nightfall. It blows my mind. That's the Atlantic Ocean. I'm staying about 2 minutes walk that way. There's bars, restaurants, there's a chilled out atmosphere. COVID has been and gone in most parts of the world, and we can travel again, and it's quiet as well. It's not like hordes of tourists, it's just relaxed. This is the most relaxed I've been maybe in years. And it is Puerto Del Rosario. It's the capital city of Fuerteventura. On sea.